where the mountains meet the sky. I find my peace, a little piece of heaven, where the noises cease. The wind in the pines, the clouds rolling by, reminds me of a life where the mountains meet the sky. It's the place I call home, it's the sweet by and by, right there where the mountains meet the sky. It's more than the view, it's the way I feel, like I'm closer to something true and real, where the air's clean and the stars burn bright. That's where I'll become morning light.